The best ways to easily make money online in 2021. More of the world is getting online. That has made the virtual world get larger and larger day by day. So with the ever-growing internet, there are also many earning opportunities being introduced to the world. I'm sure some of this won't come as news to some of you, but if you have been living under a rock for a while, then we've got some news for you. You can earn money online, and some of the ways are actually really easy. Excuse me for my enthusiasm, but I'm excited to share some of these easy money-making ways online with you, and this is what that video is all about, so hold on to your seats. 1. Filling out surveys. For this first entry, let me ask you a couple of questions. Do you have some time to spare to earn some quick bucks? Before you scream yes, let me get to the second question. Do you have an internet connection? Spare me the eye roll, please. I'm obviously joking. How else would you even be watching this video? With all this, you can take part in online surveys to get those quick bucks. Taking surveys is easy and can certainly be done at home. All you need is a device with an internet connection. Simple as that. For those who are thinking, why would anyone pay for your opinion? Most companies rely on consumer feedback, and by taking that survey, you are providing them with your feedback. The process is really simple. You take online surveys and then you get compensated with cash, coupons, prizes, and gift cards. Usually, you'll have to give them your demographic info so they can gain information about your background interests to match you with surveys that meet your profile. For a few minutes of form filling, you can earn from $1 to $10. Swagbucks, Survey Junkies, and Branded Surveys are some great survey sites to sign up for. Number 2, search the web. Do you search on the web? Okay, I know. The question should probably be more like who doesn't search on the web. We all search for numerous things numerous times in our daily life. So what if I tell you you can earn by just doing that thing? It has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online without really any effort or change in your behavior. It is a good example of passive income. You won't really make a lot of money doing this, but by opting into a collection service that pay you for your actions you're already doing, you can pocket a decent amount of cash. But why do you get paid for this? It is actually for the brands to understand the human search behavior to make their advertising system more efficient. QMe and Swagbucks from before are some of those who reward you for searching in Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. For QMe, each result has a cash reward attached. If you are interested in it, simply click on it and collect your reward. 3. Become a reviewer or tester. Do you like visiting websites or apps and want to notify those site owners or app developers about what they could do to enhance the experience of the visitors on their platform? There are ways you can do exactly that, and you'll get paid for leaving your opinion. How cool is that? You probably have a pretty strong idea of what makes a good website. Is the design clean? And is it easy to navigate? Does the content make sense? Then sign up for some of the most popular services like usertesting.com, Userlytics, Try My UI, or Testing Time, which lets you present your thoughts about some websites and apps. Most sites pay $10 per 20 minutes or $30 per hour, and remember, you are just giving a review about those platforms. As for user testing, you'll be given a site or an app to review, and through a video, you'll communicate your ideas and feedback to the developers, and most of those videos are only about 20 minutes. So it is a really good way to gain some quick cash if you have a great understanding of virtual platforms. Number 4, watch videos. Relax, I'm not gonna crack a poor joke like, do you watch videos online? Of course you do. You're watching a video right now, and we all watch videos as part of our daily activity, no matter if it's on YouTube or any other platform. So, if you earn from that, it has to be one of the easiest ways to make money ever. You probably already spend hours binge watching videos on your phone or computer in this lockdown. This has become the blessing or curse of the pandemic, depending on your point of view. So you can just keep on doing that and you'll get paid for your efforts. Yeah, you heard that right. You can keep on watching the same type of videos you do on YouTube, along with movies and ads, and get paid for them. Y-Cents, Swagbucks, and Inbox Pounds are the most popular websites as they literally pay you to sit back and watch things like advertisements and videos hoping to go viral. Furthermore, consider starting as a freelancer, typing up movie subtitles, or writing film reviews. It will help you make sure you have a decent continuous cash flow. Number 5. Reselling websites. Websites are now a part of our daily life, and we could never keep count of the amount of time that we spend on websites. Right now, you're watching this video on a website named youtube.com, and then you're gonna browse on various social media sites or search on Google, and those are all websites as well. So we are surrounded by websites. And what if I tell you that you can earn money with website reselling? The process includes buying and selling websites. Sounds a bit confusing? Then let me put it to you like this. It is similar to the process of flipping homes, where you buy a house that has investment potential, fix it up, and sell it for a higher profit. This process is rather easy to start, it needs low capital to begin, and you can earn around $100 a day with the right strategy. For some more ideas about website reselling and how you can start it, you can go to the video link in the top corner where we have elaborately explained about website reselling. So that's it, guys. That was some easy money-making ways online in 2021. For those new to the channel, remember to like this video and subscribe to join the Six Figures Club and follow along on the journey to wealth.